Welcome back to Craftastic. Make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel if you haven't did yet, and also press the bell icon. Let us begin the video. So hello friends, and in today's video I'm going to write the welcome of Christmas, and I'm going to decorate it also. So from the top of the paper I have to leave some gap, and from that after that you have to start writing this that I'm showing you. So it is a song also like this. I'm going to write that. Okay, not full song, just the full song of Christmas. So C is for the can tree trimmed around the Christmas tree. I wrote that, and after that I drew a small candy. Then it's done for C, then H. Okay, so H, then I will write H is for the happiness with the family. After it I will draw a happy face. So don't forget to like this video, share with the friends and our families, subscribe to our channel if you haven't did yet, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications, because guys I'm seeing that the the subscribed one are 1.1%, and you haven't subscribed and watching my videos only. Not subscribed very much, but subscriber very less, so please subscribe. Okay, now it stands for the R, so let us write with R. So R is for the reindeer branching by the window pane. Okay, so guys, for reindeer I didn't do any drawings. I did the window pane drawing, and I have written branching around the window pane, so it is wrong. Okay, so please don't write around, you have to write by. I will write it afterwards. Okay, so this is totally wrong. I have to write by after, at the last you will be able to see. Okay, branching by the window pane. Then I drew a window pane, means a window. Okay, so now guys, the thing is that after 1000 subscribers by October 31st 2022, I will do my face reveal video, and after 1 lakh subscribers I'm doing a Q&A part 2 with face reveal. So if you haven't seen Q&A part 1, no problem, so check it out, the link is in the description box. So CHR is done. Now it's I, so let's write with I. I is for the icing. Let's see what we'll write again. Yes, I is for the icing on the cake as sweet as sugarcane. S is for the stocking on the chimney. Also, I drew a small stocking. Then T is for the toys beneath the tree so tall. So I will draw a Christmas tree and will give some. Okay, and then it is M. So M is for the mistletoe where everyone is kissed. Okay, and after 1 minute subscribers, I will be doing a video where I will. The topic will be how I did my video. So I drew a heart after kissed, and A is for the angels who make up the Christmas tree, and S is for the old Santa who makes every kid his pet. So guys, in the angels at first I wrote a makes, so that was wrong, so I did it make, you could see now. And branching around, also I did branching by, I drew a small Santa after, that every kid has pet. Okay, now the top I will leave some gap, I told you before, so I did like this, and I am writing Christmas. Mary also I will write, you could see I have leave some gap. Now I am doing in there top. Okay, so you have to do like this way only. You can decorate on your own ideas also. I have created a very good like a type of, what will I say, good message that I have written like this only, like see Christmas full form I have written, and like see for this and like this I have written and decorated very well by editing. I will show you the picture at the end, so make sure to watch that video till the end. Okay, so you'll be able to see what I did. That was made by me only. You'll be able to see it's looking so beautiful. I just loved it, guys. So Merry Christmas R, I am writing is Y is also done. Now to decorate the sides. Okay, so on the side I will just draw 2 light balls, and then I will draw something else also. So here I drew a Christmas tree, big Christmas tree with some gifts below. Okay, beneath it, and I drew a candy other side, and I am using sketch pens to color. So Mary and Christmas I will color with yellow, guys. I am using sketch pens. You can use the other thing also. It's not a problem. Crayon, pencil colors, anything you want. Okay, so let us color now, and the lights also will color, but you won't be able to see my food coloring because my the Taurus's face was full, so I didn't record the full video. So this is the thing that I made. I applied a setup at the end. It was looking so beautiful. And guys, this is that I told you in the editing I did. How it's looking, you can comment below. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye. If you haven't seen these videos, why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These 2 videos, go check now. Bye.